I'm trying to clean my records here.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Plumas County in Northern California, northeastern Tehama County in Northern California, north central Butte County in Northern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Mineral, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: the damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mineral and Lionsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damage winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Plumas, and Tehama.
I'm trying to eat my damn Wendy's.
For the following counties in California: Butte, Plumas, Sierra, and Yuba.
Bro, I'm trying to eat my damn Wendy's.
In Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Plumas County in Northern California, East Central Butte County in Northern California, Southwestern Sierra County in Northern California, Northeastern Yuba County in Central California until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Cannot say I was expecting to see that today.
Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Downeyville, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh, you're dead.
Locations impacted include Downeyville, American House, Camptonville, Allegheny, Pike, and Lockport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Plumas, Sierra, and Yuba.
And a motherfucker eat his Wendy's.
This is the Nevada County Sheriff's Office issuing an evacuation order for a wildfire located south of the town of Washington, affecting zones NCOE 315 and NCOE 316. Evacuate immediately. Check community.zonehaven.com for updates.
God, that's terrifying.
NativeSubaru.com.
Listen to those fire trucks. Damn.
This is the Nevada County Sheriff's Office issuing an evacuation order for a wildfire located south of the town of Washington, affecting zones NCOE 315 and NCOE 316. Evacuate immediately. Check community.zonehaven.com for updates.
Oh, Jesus Christ! I can't say I was expecting that. You didn't even activate. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Saddle Camp, or 15 miles south of Yala Bali District RS, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central County west of Saddle Camp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is issued until 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Tehama, California.
No hint of this. No hint of any storm.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county: Tehama, California.
Man, Tehama getting it all, isn't
The
it?
National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tehama County in Northern California, southwestern Shasta County in Northern California until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Platina, or near Yala Bali District, and is nearly stationary.
Yeah, I just asked earlier what the hell
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Yala Bali District, Leon, and Platina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
It already has.
Do
Look.
not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Or not. Okay.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Tehama, California.
That's another ping, which makes me think that might be a doubleheader. Maybe? Question mark?
Here is an urgent
No one warning!
Here is an urgent message for the following county: Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash warning for the Carmen Burns Car in southwestern Shasta County in Northern California, west central Tehama County in Northern California until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Tehama,
At
huh?
4:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the McFarland Burns Car. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the Burns Car will result in debris flows.
Man, this thing isn't activated anymore.
Debris flow can consist of mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the McFarland Burns Car. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the McFarland Burns Car. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Platina. Additional locations include south and west of Highway 36 and equal to the Trinity County line, including the western slopes of Silverwood Road and North Beacon Creek, Beacon Gorge, and Basin Gulch. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the McFarland Burns Car. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. The roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry areas is likely. But heavy rains will likely cause mudslides and debris flow.